Now, this is something that I wasn't really planning, but everything fell together. Like I say, everything in life happens for a reason. This is my 2015 Ford Transit 350 HD. Are you having fun? Are you having fun, boo boo? On camera, and you never want to be on camera. Say hi. I'm so glad I brought you, boo-boo. Oh, I was just cleaning the airbox, the cover to the engine, the tube, and the electrical fuse box and battery terminal post covers over here, and I exposed the air filter, and this is what I just got an oil change for my Power Stroke diesel. It's a 3.2 liter i5 5-cylinder straight Transit 350 HD. And I looked it up on Google and I was like, oh, 6 quarts, not bad. But then I realized I didn't put the Power Stroke diesel in, and it came back 12 quarts. So I had to go ahead and get this 13 quart oil tub along with 2.5 gallons plus another extra gallon. That way I stay on the shell rotella for 1, and 2 I have backup. I got a Wix oil filter. That is my first oil change on the Transit. Currently on the odometer we have 82,859 miles. I've driven it a little over 550 miles on the oil that is in it. I checked the dipstick and I just saw how black it was, and I just knew that it's never been taken care of. I've already cleaned the passenger side of the engine, which is actually the back of the i5 straight cabin filter. I don't even have one in the cabin. The air filter that was in here had mold on it. Is that mold? I believe it is. There's mold here too. This thing has probably never been changed out once in its life. Look at this. I couldn't even see that white down there on the frame rail. This is the intake side, this is the exhaust side. That's the intake, goes down right here into the turbo, down into the intercooler down there, intercooler into the intake throttle body, and then into the intake manifold and into the cylinder head and into the engine. O'Reilly sold me the wrong oil filter and I had to go back, but I got the new one and I just put the mileage on there, 82,859. Alright, so 3.2 liter Wix oil filter 57045. This is the extended one. It's like the XP, I guess. So I looked it up on O'Reilly's little scan QR thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some oil on there and slap that bad Larry up there. A little oily back here, and that's the new oil filter. I know there's not that much light back here, but she's on there. I gotta go ahead and buy a new oil pan drain plug with a magnet on it. That way I can go ahead and get any debris that might be floating in the engine that I might have missed or sitting at the bottom of the oil pan. But I think the converter needs to go ahead and be checked out soon. So that means dropping the transmission, drive shaft, subframe, low control arms, you name it.